All right, so I think we already set the. I can't show the how I bought the. I I basically bought a server in Rapnerd, so I separate this one, I guess. This one's for ChatGPT. I don't want to show my email because there are bots that might be crawling and then just spamming me with so I don't want it to be exposed. So okay, so I already bought rented that server in Rapnerd. So I already have uh, a working. I already logged into it, so I thought and then later on I tried to use Putty. As it turns out, I don't have to because it's just access to SSH. What I need is that if I want to pass the data to it, I need an FTP, I guess. How to connect to remote Ubuntu server using FTP. So yeah, so that I could pass the data to it, but I really think I would need this because later on I'll have to pass data to it. FTP UI. I think we are using Filezilla. Jesus. How to install Filezilla in Ubuntu 20.04? It has to be specific. So okay, we're here, and then sudo apt update. So we need the terminal. Okay, we have a terminal here. So many open terminals, so we have to reduce it. Update. Then just do this. Everything is updated. So yes, we want it to be installed. Yes, sir. And then FTP. Okay, I have to log in my Rack Nerd account of how to do this. Oh wow, I'm trying to click this. Okay, Jesus. Okay, I'm trying to access my Racknerd account so that, and then read the FileZilla. I just want to try if this is really working. If I haven't forgotten about this, it's really too long because now we're I think I rarely have to use this because I can do installation anyway, and then all the files needed would be installed via. I'll just commit it on my repository in this, and then just pull it here. So for now, I will have just one a live server just uh, for now. But later on, I have to set up a dev, at least a stage, and then a dev. For now, I don't have to be so formal about this because I'm just the one working on it. But if there's if ever, I don't know, maybe perhaps there are two developers working on this. Yeah, I'll add dev server and then live server, live setup so that we do it step by step. So okay, all right. So I'm logging in. I am logging in, and then I want to access this data, the host, the username, and the password. It's on my email, but I think later on it has to be saved somewhere because I might lose my email. So okay, where is it? Where's my account? Mm. Oh yeah, it's on my email. Jesus, I already don't have to log in. Okay, KVM VPS login. It's on my secondary screen, so I can't show it. I'm sorry. Then, so yeah, uh, is it this? Okay, host. I'm sorry, I have to hide this. Host, use root, and then password. Should I quick connect? Quick connect. Save password. Okay, let's save password. What? I cannot. Connection refused. Why? By the server. Oh yeah, I don't have port. Huh. This is weird. I'm having this problem like fatal error. Uh, this is for Filezilla. What does this mean? Uh, yeah, it's just the same whenever I was using Putty. So it seems like it's both problem with the. I have to log out. I don't have to. I don't want to. I don't want to be trapped every time. Then host. Why is that? Connection refused by server. I don't know why it is refused. So let's go with, here and then search for. Uh, let's go to Rack Nerd and then search for. All right, for knowledge base. I think I'll be able to show this. So okay, FileZilla. Maybe I have to download the. Oh, okay. I have to download the FileZilla. No, this is server, right? Hmm. I've used this before, but yeah. Hmm. FileZilla. All right, so I think I need to change something here. Yeah, okay. And FileZilla, I have. Yeah, I'll just try it and then put the IP address and then the port, IP address, and then the username, the password. Let's see. I mean, always keep trying. That's the that's what we have to do. Okay, connect. Can't establish to an SFT server. Please select proper protocol. All right. Uh, Manager, new site. No, that's not what I want to do. Stoic. And then, yeah, it's always fatal, something like this. Couldn't agree host key generator algorithm. It's always like this. FileZilla. Hmm. So this is one of the thing that it's so weird. Like they don't. There's no definitive answer here. Maybe I couldn't agree. Okay, here no, it's just the same. So I think we should go to FileZilla directly and install the latest one because that's what I did to Putty and then that one works. That one really worked. What is the difference between the client and the server? Hmm. it is sharing. So what's the latest version? Here the version is